Hey you, welcome back to the channel. And today we want to talk about our simulated mobile mining program we discussed in the last video. And to tell you about how easy it is to run it alongside your Electroneum mobile miner, earn you some additional cryptocurrency. Now, why would you want to do that? Well, this is a very non-intrusive simulated mining that you can earn extra crypto, extra valuable crypto alongside with the Electroneum you're already earning. Um, since you're mobile mining anyway, why not do that? Because this doesn't use any of your resources. It's all simulated. It's not real mining. And you can earn this cryptocurrency and you can do whatever you want with it. You can sell it. You can buy more Electroneum. You can do whatever you want. So this is going to be a tutorial to show you how to do it. And we think you're going to like it. We think you're going to enjoy this. So let's go over the steps here. So the first step in how to do this is you're going to need to register an account. Now, here's the thing. When you register an account with our site, do not, and I repeat, do not use your real name, real information. Use, it could be a made up name. It could be a dummy email. The only reason we require that information is to make sure that they're unique accounts, that you're not gaming the system or anything like that. And it's kind of weird anyway. It kind of really doesn't matter because it really goes on devices anyway. We don't have a device limit. So well, that's just for your own protection and privacy, that we don't require your private details. Now, what happens when you sign in here? You're going to come down to here and you're basically to start the mining engine, you're going to have to hit start mining. Now, this is important to understand, right? That in order to get paid, you have to hit stop mining. Once you hit stop mining, you can go right back and hit start mining. Now, what happens when you hit stop mining? When you hit start, when you hit start mining, you start to earn the cryptocurrency. Okay. And then when you hit stop mining, that indicates to the system it's time to pay you out, right, for the hours you've mined your cryptocurrency. There are no minimums. There's no time frame in which you have to hit stop mining or start. You can do it anytime you want. You can do it for 10 minutes and hit stop if you want, and then it'll initiate a payout on 10 minutes worth of earned cryptocurrency. Now, the thing is, it takes about 7 days to get paid. Okay. So that means that if you let this thing run for 10 minutes and you hit stop mining, you wouldn't get that for about a 7 day period. Okay. You hit start mining, right? You're earning. Stop mining, you stop. Go back to start mining, you're back earning, right? Got to hit stop mining in order to get paid. After you hit stop mining, you go back to start mining, start back earn again. Okay. Now, on the next line, you're going to list every device that you're running, right? There is no limit. We're moving in the spirit of something what we call smartphone farming. For that community as well, we want to draw those in. And if you don't know what smartphone mining is, it's smartphone farming. That's when you have a great many of devices. So somebody could come in here with 25 devices, 100 devices, and they can earn a lot of cryptocurrency, right, with us by running all these devices. Now, if you only got one device, then you'll be earning, say like you got your Electroneum smart device. Okay, you got it mining your Electroneum. You can run this in the background. It won't do anything to your phone. It won't use resources or anything like that. Because you're essentially just parking on a website. I'm just going to tell you guys, you're essentially just parking on a website. But the website we're monitoring is conducting your hours. We're interested in the attention value that the device is giving off, and we're getting value from the size of the network, being able to move our cryptocurrency across the network, and a variety of things like that. And so we have a white paper. You can go in deep into details about why the cryptocurrency is valuable, why it's able to generate money, and why people are buying it. And it's a lot of moving parts to it, but you can get the cryptocurrency by running this miner, non-intrusive miner on your phone. There are no advertisements at this time. There may be some in the future, but we're using other methods right now to gain value from the network. So let's drop down and hear the dashboard, how you monitor your time here. And you can see this is gonna, it updates about every several days. So don't panic if you don't see your time immediately displayed on there, right? Just refresh and check back, and it will be on there, right? The system's still running and monitoring this. But what you can do is when you come on the site, you put your name in the search box, your account name that you made up, not your real name, but the account name you made up. You put it in the search box. And when you do that, it's going to pull your name up, okay? And you're going to be able to see how much you're earning. It's going to show how many devices you're running. It's going to show your rate per hour, what you're earning. So right now it's a tenth of a coin every hour per device. So just the 5 devices, that would mean that right now you'd be earning about, it would actually be about a half of cryptocurrency of our coin per hour. And I believe right now they're around about they go up in value. They were like 4 cents the other day. I think they've come down around a penny or something like that. Very some limited supply, small supply. We love small supplies. Small supplies mean that we have a much better chance of getting you guys some value. So that's what we love about it. It's on par with Bitcoin as well. And you're going to get a lot of more details of that in the white paper. But similar to what our cryptocurrency was able to do with Bitcoin, which was to kind of integrate alongside with Bitcoin, not have Bitcoin holders take the value out of their Bitcoin, not have them sell their Bitcoin or anything like that, but being able to move that value throughout our cryptocurrency. Same kind of thing with Electroneum. We understand the situation with Electroneum. A lot of people put in a lot of money, and now the price is kind of stagnated, right? And they're kind of locked in that position. You know, the last thing you want to do is ask people after they've invested a lot in one project to say, oh, come over here and invest in ours. No, we found a way to use the value of the network to gain value, and you don't necessarily have to do that, right? So we can kind of extract that value and give all this value back to the community just by you running this miner, participating. We call it the proof of participation model, participating with our website. And I think you guys are going to be very excited and like how this project works for you. I think some of you all who are doing the mobile mining probably going to get a lot more out of it alongside using it with Electroneum, right? And so because you're going to earn more, and there is no minimum again. You get your cryptocurrency within 7 days. We got the cryptocurrency, so it's no delay or reason you can't get it. we got enough to supply you. And the markets, although the market is third party, we don't have anything to do with that. It's third party. People are buying because of the projects we're doing with our site. There are a lot of things going on where there's we're able to generate a type of if you want to call it a revenue. I prefer value. We're able to generate this type of value amongst the cryptocurrency space, and I just think this is a time where when you're dealing with something like cryptocurrency, I think what we have to understand, guys, is that cryptocurrency is a very interconnected community. If you take something like Bitcoin, right, everything that happens in cryptocurrency is somehow connected to Bitcoin. It's pretty much tethered to Bitcoin. Bitcoin moves up, it moves up with it. Bitcoin moves down, it generally everybody follows with it. So this is a very interconnected community. And what we need to get out of is this idea of this type of coin tribalism, right? There is no coin tribalism. We're in a very small market, $100 billion market. And we're all intertrading with one another. And what we have to do is take the best of that value, put it together, and create value for ourselves, right? So the coin tribalism doesn't help us at all. We got to get out of that, work together, and make the cryptocurrency space valuable so more people want to come in and participate in it. and that can be achieved. We can do that. We just need to stay focused, understand what it is that people want and need, and try to solve those problems. So we're trying to do that here at Bitcoin NYK. But guys, we think you're gonna really like this. What we're doing, easy to try. Just one button away, you're already earning our cryptocurrency, already getting more value, and we just know you're gonna love it. But that's all I want to say in this video. If you have questions about this, guys, feel free to ask them in the comments section. Contact us directly. We have live support over on our website. We'll drop the link to our Discord channel. If I'm not available, somebody in there could possibly help you as well. I guess that's it, guys. Go ahead, get some cryptocurrency. Let's start trading today, making some extra money there to go with what you got. And I think your mood about the cryptocurrency space is going to change a great deal with this project. It's a very exciting project that we've thought about. We had you all in mind when we thought about it, and we just know you're going to love it. But that's all I got in this video, guys. If you like content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and until next time, take care.